How to apply transparent skin on LOQ. In this guide, you will learn how to properly apply a transparent skin to your LOQ laptop. Don't worry if the model is not shown in this video, as the application process remains the same for all laptop models. Follow these steps carefully to achieve a clean and bubble-free application. What you will receive in the package: transparent skin that includes the top lid and may also cover the keypad area, depending on your selected option. You also get an installation kit which includes alcohol cleaning swab, dust absorber stickers, microfiber cloth, squeegee for applying the skins. Preparation steps: ensure bright lighting and patience. Applying the skin requires precision, so work under good lighting conditions and take your time. Clean the laptop surface. First, use the alcohol cleaning swab to remove any grease or dirt. Next, use the microfiber cloth to wipe down the laptop surface, removing dust and smudges. Finally, use a dust absorber stickers to ensure the surface is completely clean and dust free. Applying the top lid hinges. Peel off the hinge skin from the backing paper, align it carefully with the hinge area, press it down firmly using your finger or thumb to ensure it sticks properly. Applying the top lid hinge panel. Peel off the hinge panel skin from the backing paper, align it carefully with the hinge area, press it down firmly using your finger or thumb or squeegee to ensure it sticks properly. Applying the top lid skin. Peel off the top lid skin and carefully align it with the LOQ top panel. Once positioned, apply firm pressure with squeegee, ensuring that air bubbles are minimized. Gradually press down from left to right to further smooth out the skin. Once adhered, apply pressure along the edges and corners for a seamless fit. Applying the trackpad skin. Remove the trackpad skin from the backing paper, carefully align it with all edges and corners of the trackpad. Once positioned, apply light pressure to secure it completely. Applying the keypad skin. Peel the keypad skin from the backing paper and align it with the edges before applying. Align it carefully with each key to ensure perfect fitment. Firmly press down the skins and if needed, slightly stretch them on the keys if needed for a better application on the keypad area. Applying the palm rest skin. Align the palm rest skin properly with the palm rest area. After alignment, apply light pressure using finger or squeegee to smooth out the skin and remove any bubbles. Applying the keypad frame. Align it carefully around the keypad area. Apply light pressure with your finger or thumb to ensure a firm and bubble-free application. Final checks. Inspect all applied skin for alignment issue or air bubbles. Most air bubbles will disappear within 48 hours. This skin may take up to 2 days to fully cure and settle on the surface. You have successfully applied a transparent skin to your LOQ laptop, preserving its sleek look while adding a protective layer. Enjoy your refreshed and safeguard device.